how to enable two-factor authentication on Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to add an extra layer of security to your Capital One account, well, in this video, I'll walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But with that, let's know what is two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication is the thing that helps you to protect your account by requiring a second form of verification like one-time code sent to your phone along with your password. And here is how you can enable it. So there you can simply open the Capital One app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once signed in, you can just tap on your profile icon or the account name at the top right corner or the bottom toolbar according to your app version. And after that, on the next page, you need to simply select security or security settings from the drop down menu. And once you do that, you simply have to find the section labeled two-factor authentication or the verification settings. So choose your preferred method like text message, email, or the Authenticator app and enter the verification code sent to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can enable two-factor authentication on the Capital One account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.